All right, so about to get started here. So, context, I'm doing this on my kitchen counter. So I've got a towel down, I've got my little portable vise here, and then I've got my toolbox, got some sandpaper, some hammers, this file, my gloves, and then I got some wedges right here, which will be important for later. So this is the axe. As you can see, it's not really that bad as far as like rusted. I've done some work on the bit here. So the bit's looking a lot better on both sides. But this has been sitting for a while, so it's gonna need some rust taken off. I'm gonna use the sandpaper and the steel wool to kind of get some of those off first thing. And then I'll put it on, and then I'll work on the handle after I've already put this on. So that's step one. Using the rubber mallet for this. One more thing, if you hit the bottom of the hammer, once you kind of get it seated on a little bit, and you hit the bottom of the hammer while it's up, it'll work its way up, which is, I don't know, physics, I guess. So this chip is too big for this. Since I don't have a saw, I'm gonna try to chip it out with this more knife. Just to barely kind of hold it. I wouldn't push down at all, but get this guy started a little bit. Got it. Then I can take it, just kind of clean off the rest for what it's worth. This little woodworking. And listen, if you're at home and you're cringing, just know this is my first full-on rehandle, so there could be some things wrong with the way I'm doing stuff. But you know what? I'm also pretty limited tools because I'm working in on my countertop here. Now, there we go, that's what I was hoping for right there. Anyway, look, I like to use a nylon mallet because it kind of avoids the like breaking that you can get if you use a wood, especially in the very beginning. Once you get closer to where I'm at now, it's not as important. But I like to use these. Are really nice. If you haven't picked one of these up, these are like $9. You can get one of these. They're awesome to have. Kind of thing that's probably as far as it's going. So, and at this point, let's let it dry until tomorrow, and we come back through and saw the top off. Okay, so put it over here in the corner, put some paper towel by it so the glue wouldn't get on the wall. Put it right by the stink pipe, as you can see. So, just gonna wait till tomorrow. We'll cut the top off and we'll put on the, what's it called? The wedges, and then we'll work on the handle as far as getting it down to the shape that I want it to be. At least more sanded than it is now. This is the next day. See where the glue dried. And then we're gonna cut this off today. No more complaining that nobody has a workspace. What I did here, I took my file and made a little divot. That way if I'm ever trying to get the handle out and this is stuck, you can use your chisel. This will go. You can use your chisel, just pop it out. So that's a nice little tip. All right, got that done. The little burr is on this side, which it should have been on this side, but no, this is the way I was going to go, or I would have. All right, so we're done with that. The only thing we have to do now, which this will take months, but is to take these scissors. I'm going to be doing this. The point of that is to get this handle down a lot thinner, because when you buy them, usually if you go and buy one from your hardware store, it's going to be really fat to begin with, so I'm working on getting this to be as thin as possible. So that's a long-term thing. Then I'll oil it with some linseed, and that'll be pretty much it, and then I can take it out and use it.